Cold brew mason jar coffee maker by County Line Kitchen. 1 quart, 32 ounces, durable glass jar, heavy-duty stainless steel filter, flip cap lid for easy pouring. Save $. Easily make your own cold brew. Effortlessly make delicious cold brew with the amazing County Line Kitchen cold brewer. Simply add coffee, steep overnight and drink. Cleanup is quick and simple, and all components are dishwasher safe. You will enjoy our high-quality, stainless steel filter. Our filter mesh is super fine to prevent grounds from entering the coffee. The heavy-duty mesh in our filters will last a lifetime. Our rolled and folded seam eliminates any sharp edges. High-quality, durable flip cap lid. The flip cap lid allows you to brew, pour and store your coffee with ease. The cap lifts open and stays open to allow you to pour out your brew. The high-quality seal means you will never have a leak. Ball mason jars are made to last and built to withstand the canning process. There is no need to worry about breaking your jar. This heavy-duty jar can withstand rough handling. The inert soda-lined glass also won't leach harmful chemicals into your brew. You can also cold brew tea, and our brewer makes a great infuser too. Infuse water with your favorite fruits or infuse oils with spices or other flavorings. Our brewer's components are all made BPA-free and made of food-grade, FDA-compliant glass, stainless steel and plastic. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.